In this video, I will explain the special method dunder_str in Python classes. If you try to print instances of a class, you get weird outputs. For example, if you try to print the points that we created in the previous videos, like point 1, point 2, point 3 that are in the instances of the class point, you get an output like this. It starts with the name of the file where the class is written in, then a dot, then the name of the class, which is point with capital P here, and then object add and a reference to the address in a RAM where this object is stored in. So if you want to print an instance of a class, you could do that using its attributes. Uh, this is what you have learned so far. You can use the percentage sign or the format method and the curly brackets to print the attributes of that class. So you cannot print a class, you cannot print an instance of a class, you can only print the attributes. But there is a special method that can allow you to print a class, an instance of a class. That special method is dunder_str, two underscores, str, and another two underscores. So assume that you have received a request from the American, the front-end programmer, uh, such as this, that the American wants the point, an instance of a point, to be printed in the format of two parentheses, the x and y separated by comma. As the Dutch programmer, the backend programmer, you need to add the uh, method dunder_str to the class point. You start with def dunder_str and you would have a self as the argument of this method. Then here you need to return the string that you want to be printed as a result of printing an instance of this class, which is point. So here we use the format function, the format method. Self x and self y are given as arguments to this format method, and self x is going to replace the curly bracket 0, and self y is going to replace the curly bracket 1, and that will print the instance of the point in the format that the American wanted. So pause here for a minute or two to do this exercise. You want the instances of the class person to be printed using, a print function, and the output must be the name of the person, then a parenthesis, then the weight, and a kg that stands for kilogram. And after that a comma, then 1.8, for example, which is the height of that person, and after that m as for meter, that m stands for meter, and then another parenthesis. So how would you do that? The class already shown to you. The first line, the first line that the American wants, the initializer is already given to you. How can you add a dunder str to this class? So here is how you can do that. Again, def dunder_str and self as argument for dunder_str. And here you have to, of course, use the return function. Uh, so you are going to write down the parts that are not going to be changed, and those parts that can change based on the attributes of that instance must be, you must use curly brackets for them. So here, the curly bracket 0 will be replaced with self.name, the curly bracket 1 will be replaced with self.weight, and the curly bracket 2 will be replaced with self.height. In the next video, we'll learn about the special method dunder add.